Right now, let's meet one of the foremost voices in pet health and our resident expert, Dr. David Randall. Dr. Randall is a second-generation veterinarian with 30 years of experience and is the owner of the Big Cypress Animal Clinic in South Florida, specializing in aging pets. Dr. Randall, so good to see you again.
Hey Jessica, it's great to see you again.
Now, I already know who you are, but for people who don't, tell us a little bit about your background and who you are.
All right, I was raised in a veterinarian family. Started practicing the greatest profession in the world, taking care of horses, dogs, and cats, and I don't feel like I've ever worked a day in my life. Veterinary medicine is a great profession.
How did you come to know Flexpet?
Flexpet actually came and found me. I do a weekly call-in veterinarian show. Somebody must have saw it and they said, hey, have you ever tried this? I said, I know nothing about it whatsoever. But I did realize by looking at it, it wasn't just a joint supplement, okay? It was extra. There was some really good science that's gone into this product. So I looked at it and I think I got a half a dozen bottles or something and thought I'd give it a try. But one of my workers had his dog that was lame for about 3 weeks.
Okay.
I was not taking care of it. Another veterinarian was taking care of it, and they had it on some different type of limping medication, okay? Mike came to me after about 3 weeks because the dog was still limping and it had symptoms of vomiting and diarrhea. I mean, come on, whatever it was, it wasn't working,
bad.
okay?
Yeah.
He came to me and said, you know, what do you think about that product? Do you think it would work? And I said, well, it's worth a try because the other stuff's not making your dog feel any better.
Right.
So immediately he puts the dog on Flexpet. I think he was getting 3 pills maybe once or twice a day. Mike came back to me and said, you're not gonna believe this, but he's better. Then I said, well, I don't believe it, okay? So the second day he came in there and he said, you have to come out in the parking lot. I want you to see my dog, okay? He goes out there and the dog's walking and trotting completely normal. And I'm like, what else is he on?
It was
Nothing.
just the Flexpet.
Yeah, there's no vomiting, no diarrhea, and it really seemed to make a difference. I've tried it many, many times since then, and it works. And that's the bottom line, the product works. That was my experience with Flexpet for the first time, so I'm sold.